Hey guys, that point in life, aka William Molina, aka Mosito. Today you're gonna be watching me build my own PC, and you're gonna get some tips and tricks on how to build your own PC and not make mistakes. William, roll the intro.
Shut the fuck up! Real hot girl shit. He like it when I work that, twerk that, serve that, and ride it like a rodeo. He like it when I lick that, sit down, look that. When I ride him like a
Action. Hey guys, that boy in life, aka William Molina, aka Mosito. Today I'm doing a update vlog or some shit like that for my PC that I'm building it before winter break ends.
Action.
Before winter break ends, and I'm gonna just show you the parts that I have right now, and I'm gonna update you guys when I get the new parts and everything. So right now, the first things that I got was the AMD Ryzen 7 2700 CPU thingy with the fan, which is cool because some CPUs don't come with fans. And I got the OLED, the RAMs. Wait, did I say RAMs already? I don't know. But I got the RAMs. And I got the SD card, which is 1 terabyte, and I got the Inland Premium one. And honestly, yeah, I'll check in with you guys when I get more parts. Okay, so this is our second update. My case came in. Oh wait, that's the fucking address. Ow. I'll show you an unboxing maybe if I don't get lazy. So that's the shits. Snow edition, of course. Here's the price and everything. Yeah. Hey y'all, I kind of forgot to update. I got all the parts here. And right now we already put in the power supply. I'll link the video that we're following right now. So yeah. I'll just do a time lapse of what we're doing, and then I'll do a voiceover of what we're doing. So yeah.
Now I have time to talk. So basically what I'm doing right now is taking out my motherboard and I'm going to insert the CPU. This is what I'm going to show right now. So here I am trying to figure out how to put in the CPU. It was kind of scary, but yeah,
We just put in the RAMs. So we just put in the RAMs. That was kind of confusing because the manual didn't really say anything, or at least we didn't read nothing from it, or we're kind of dumb. But right now what we're gonna do is get the SSD, and I figured out that we use one of these cables to put it in here, but I don't know where we're gonna place it because this dude didn't say nothing about that. Yeah. Okay. Record inside, not me. It's not about me, it's about the fucking PC, stupid ass. Oh my god. It kind of dropped one. Okay, so a little update. That we're taking out the graphics card right now. The graphics card? Yes. So we have everything plugged in now. Well, I think. Yeah. So.
Hey, I'm back now. So funny thing, the things I bought didn't work well with the PC. See, now when you're building a PC, you're gonna want to make sure you look at everything, like make sure it's compatible to the max. Cause I just did PC part picker. Yeah, I'll link it because it was good, but they messed up their information, which made it so my RAMs and my power supply were too low. So I had to change my RAMs and my power supply. So basically what happened was I didn't look at like the, what's it called, insert word here, like the manual thing, and I didn't check that to see, oh, is it compatible? Turns out it wasn't. And honestly, you learn and you give information to others to help. And honestly, the whole process of me building this PC was honestly fun, amazing, because I got to do it with my brother. But it was a pain in the ass, and it still is. And honestly, just be patient, because I didn't get lucky, because my Windows started crashing and stuff. The blue screen of death. We don't like that. We really don't. But anyways, I'ma show you soon how my PC looks now and how it's all working out. But okay, let me figure out some last words, so give me a second. So basically I didn't show you like how to build it, but let me tell you some tips. Get a good CPU, get a good motherboard, and get a good graphics card, because those are like key components that I've learned, well, for myself, and how I like my PC like to work out good. But it just depends, and honestly you're gonna learn a lot of things, you're gonna mess up, it happens to everybody, and don't give up. So now to show you my new PC, and I'll link everything below, all the things I got and the information I used and the videos I used to help me build. So yeah, thank you for watching, and here's the final results. Okay, so before I show you the oh fuck, stop. Okay, before I show you the final results, I'm gonna say the other things I got. I got a gaming controller, well, a regular like Xbox controller, because it connects with the PC and shit. I got a Razer Kiyo camera webcam, and I got an internet a Wi-Fi adapter, because sometimes your Wi-Fi isn't strong enough to connect, or maybe you don't have a long ass cable to connect to your PC. So get a Wi-Fi adapter and the connection will go faster. And like sometimes when you're doing Windows, it doesn't like connect to your Wi-Fi immediately, so having a Wi-Fi adapter would be good. And yeah, now my PC.